The Essential phone, still among the best deals you can find in smartphones today, is now set to be available in 3 new colors, including Ocean Depths, Copper Black, and Stellar Gray. These include 2 previously announced colors, the aquamarine-ish Ocean Depth S and the dark matte Stellar Gray, but also the surprising third options, which adopts the shiny black back of the current all-black Essential, but with the copper titanium antenna band of the Ocean Depths colorway. These new look models all have the same internal specs and capabilities of the original versions, but offer some nice variety in terms of aesthetics. A few weeks ago, I had the chance to peek at these in person briefly, and they really do provide some stunning visual impact. The matte black on the Stellar Gray is a good fit if you found the piano-like surface of the standard Essential ceramic a tad flashy, for instance, and the Ocean Depths hue is unique in the smartphone world, and a very captivating color when seen in the flesh or the metal and ceramic. The new color options are limited editions. Essential tells me that means when they're gone, they are indeed gone. They're sold through Essential's own website exclusively, and they'll each run for the full $599 price of the original release devices, starting at 12 p.m. Pacific Time today with Ocean Depths, and then with a staggered drop schedule with Stellar Gray, coming online on February 20th, and Copper Black landing on February 22nd, so you have time to plan and decide whether a bold new look is worth your cash. It's still a deal compared to the price of other leading flagships.